Ever had a React component randomly reset its state? This lesson explains why it happens, and the crucial difference between unmounting a component and simply hiding it. We have a simple timer component. It has internal state. Count is 5. Now we're going to hide this component in two different ways. First, conditional rendering. Second, using CSS display none. At first glance, they look identical, but under the hood, they behave completely differently. Let's start with the setup. Right now, both approaches are visible, and both show the same thing. Count is 5. So far, no difference. Now we introduce the two strategies. On the left, conditional rendering. On the right, CSS display none. This is the key difference. One removes the component entirely. The other just hides it. Now watch what happens when we toggle visibility off. On the left, the component is gone. React has unmounted it. Not hidden, not paused, destroyed. And when a component unmounts, its state is destroyed with it. That count of 5, gone forever. Now let's bring it back. When visibility becomes true again, React creates a brand new instance, fresh, which means the state resets. Count is now 0. This is not a bug. This is how React works. Unmounting destroys state. Remounting creates a new one. Now let's look at the other side. CSS display none. When we hide the component this way, it doesn't get removed. It's still in the React tree, still alive, just invisible. And most importantly, its state is preserved. Count is still 5. Now we show it again, and look at that. The state is exactly where we left it, still 5. No reset, no reinitialization, because the component was never unmounted. Let's compare both approaches side by side. Conditional rendering destroys and recreates the component. CSS hiding keeps it alive the entire time. Same UI behavior, completely different lifecycle. This difference matters more than you think. If you're building forms, timers, modals, or animations, choosing the wrong approach can break your app. So here's the rule. If you want to reset state, use conditional rendering. If you want to preserve state, hide it with CSS. Once you understand this, a lot of random React bugs suddenly make sense. If this helped you see React more clearly, this is just one of many interactive simulations inside Runtime Visuals. Check out the full course.